Today topic is tense. Okay, tense means time. tense tense means काल. हिंदी में काल भी कहते हैं, जो क्या करता है, समय को बताता है. We are doing work in present or past and future. Okay, we always do work and present or past or future. If what every tense has four parts. With present tense has four parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Same past tense also has four parts: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Same future tense also have four parts: simple future, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Okay, then every tense has four parts. Okay, for example, present means I am present here. I am teaching you here. That means present. Okay, present. जो भी वर्क हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी कर रहे हैं, यानी वर्तमान काल में कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा प्रेजेंट टेंस कहलाता है, जिसको हम हिंदी में वर्तमान काल भी कहते हैं. ओके, सेम पास्ट. आई डिड यस्टरडे. ओके, आई डू टुडे. आई डू टुडे. टुडे मीन्स प्रेजेंट, बट आई डिड यस्टरडे. ओके, यानी यस्टरडे इज पास्ट. जो भी हम काम कब करते हैं, यस्टरडे यानी पास्ट में करते हैं, दैट मीन्स पास्ट टेंस. ओके, देन थर्ड इज फ्यूचर. आई विल डू टुमारो, यानी मैं इस काम को कल करूंगी. दैट मीन्स जो हम कल के लिए सोचते हैं, कल करने के लिए सोचते हैं, दैट मीन्स फ्यूचर. दैट मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, वी थिंक ओनली थ्री टाइप्स. या we will think about present or past and future. Okay, so समय तीन चीजों को बताता है. क्या? वर्तमान काल, भूतकाल एंड भविष्य काल. ओके, टेंस का मतलब क्या हो गया? काल. प्रेजेंट मीन्स वर्तमान, पास्ट मीन्स भूतकाल एंड फ्यूचर मीन्स भविष्य काल. ओके, आई विल थिंक टुडे, that means present. Yesterday means past, and tomorrow means future. Okay, all peoples, all living things do work only three types. They will do in present, they will do in present or future or past. Okay, always we think about only three types. Yeah, we will think about present, about past, about future. Okay, I am teaching you here. That means I am working present, but I taught yesterday. That means I did my work yesterday. I completed my work yesterday, but I will teach tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, that means I will depend on tomorrow, यानी कल के लिए. Okay, that means got it? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Now I will teach today only simple present tense. Simple present tense. Tense mean indefinite tense. Okay, what is the formula of simple present tense? You know about plural subject and singular subject. Okay, if our subject is singular, then we use with first form of verb as or es. How? He, she, it, and singular noun plus we V1 as or ears plus object plus other. Got it? For example, he play football with me. Okay, he dash bracket football with me. He is here singular. Okay, subject is here singular, so we will use play with as or ears. If not, if end of the verb has x, o, s, double s, sh, ch, etc, etc, we use es. For example, go. Go is verb here, but end of the verb is o. That's why we use here es, goes. But here is play. There is no words ox, o, s, ss, cs. Then we use here only as. Plays. Got it? Next, another example. Second example, Ram dash go to the market. Okay, here what will come? O. Here is O, then we use es, goes. Ram goes to the market. Got it? Next formula is plural. This is a rules for singular subject, but second rules for plural subject. I, we, you, they, and plural noun we use V1 only. Okay, plus object plus others. Got it? Here if subject is singular, then we use with verb as or es. If subject is plural, we don't use as or es here. For example, he dash play football with me. So what? Sorry, he is singular. I, you. We can use here I, we, you, they, but not use on singular subjects. There we use here you is a plural subject. Then what will use here? Play, only play. Okay, V1. Got it? Next example is first example, second. Ram and Sita go to the market. Then what will use here? Ram and Sita. Here is a plural subject. Okay, Ram and Sita. But here we use two nouns. That's why it is a plural subject. Then use here only go. Got it? रब कर दे. हाँ. Now negative sentence. Negative. Sentence in simple present tense. Okay, then singular he, she, it and singular noun plus does, not plus v1 plus object plus others. Then look here, if your sentence is singular, then use here in negative sentence does not. Helping verb is does. But in verb don't use s or es. Positive sentence we use here s or es with verbs. Okay, for he plays football. Football with me. This is a positive sentence you have written already. Okay, positive sentence. Then what will, now we will change this sentence into negative sentence. Then what will do, this is a singular sentence because here is a he is a singular. Then what will do, if we will convert into negative sentences, then he does not play football with me. Okay, got it? Next sentence. This is a positive sentence. Positive sentence. Okay, this is a negative sentence. नेगेटिव मीन्स नहीं, जिसमें नॉट आता है. नेक्स्ट राम डज नॉट गो टू द मार्केट. If sentence is negative in singular, we use helping verb does not. Got it? Now, if sentence is plural, then what will do? Look here. Same. This is a singular. Now, I am telling about plural sentence. I, we, you, they, and plural noun plus do not. What is the difference in singular sentence and plural sentence? Plus v1 plus object plus other. What is the difference? If sentence is singular, we use does not. If sentence is plural, then we use do not. Okay, got it? For example, Ram does not go to the market. This is a singular sentence. If we convert this sentence into plural sentence, then what will do? Ram and Sita do not go to the market. Got it? What is the difference? If sentence is singular, then we use does not. If sentence is plural, then use do not. Only different is does or do. But verb will come same. Here also go, here also go. Okay? Then for singular sentence, helping verb is does, but plural sentence, for plural sentence, helping verb is do. Got it? Next example. They does not. If sentence is plural, then we use do not in negative sentence. If we tell about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means ask the question. Ask the question. Okay. We ask question from two types. For with WH family or with helping verb, we can make interrogative sentence. But here I am telling behalf of simple present tense only. Good. Then बंद कर दो. Interrogative sentence. What will do? First does, then he, she, it, and singular noun plus V1 plus object plus others. Object means I sing a song. I sing a song. I is here subject. Sing is here verb. But what is doing? मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Song. Song is object. Object means जो हम कर्म करते हैं उसको वर्ब जस्ट वर्ब के बाद में हम उस वर्ड को लेकर आते हैं. अदर्स में जो बचता है जैसे I sing a song in the classroom. Yeah, I is subject, sing is verb, song is object, where play in the classroom. In the classroom is others. Okay, got it? Now plus question mark. Now we will change. For example, Ram plays football with me. Then this is a positive sentence. We will convert into interrogative question. Interrogative sentence. Then what we'll do? This is a subject. This is verb. This is football object with me others. Okay, got it? Now we will change into interrogative sentence. Then what we'll do? First, this sentence is singular. I am telling only about singular subjects. Listen, बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं singular subject और plural subject के साथ हम क्या verb लगाएं. सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को 20 years हो गए, 20 साल हो गए पढ़ाते हुए. सबसे ज्यादा यही मिस्टेक करते हैं कि कहाँ पर हमें वर्ब कैसे यूज करना है. सबके साथ अगर हम नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं देन भी वर्ब के अंदर एस और एस लगा देते हैं, लेकिन नहीं, कभी नहीं लगाना है वो. ध्यान से देखो, ये बहुत मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं बच्चे. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? अगर हम इस सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं देन व्हाट विल डू? सबसे पहले क्लियर है कि हमारा ये सिंगुलर सेंटेंस है. देन व्हाट विल डू? फर्स्ट डज. क्लियर? देन सब्जेक्ट्स. अब सब्जेक्ट्स क्या है हमारे? हियर राम. देन राइट हियर राम. आफ्टर दैट वर्ब. व्हाट इज वर्ब? क्या है? प्ले. बट यू नो ओनली कम V1, नॉट विद एस और es. only V1. That means okay. Then here write here play. Don't use here s. Okay. Clear? Now football with me. Then question marks. Got it? Did Ram play football with me? क्या राम मेरे साथ फुटबॉल खेलता है? Okay. Then this is a question. Question means interrogative sentence. We talk only positive way, negative way and interrogative way. हम क्या करते हैं? या तो हम पॉजिटिव बोलते हैं I do, या नेगेटिव I don't do, या do I do. ये तीन तरीके से ही हम बात करते हैं पूरी लाइफ में. पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड इंटेरोगेटिव. ओके, तो हम डेली टू डेली लाइफ में जो बात करते हैं ना, वही हमें कन्वर्ट करना है पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. पॉजिटिव मीन्स अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस ऑल्सो, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. अब नाउ if subject is plural, then what will do? Same, very simple, do, because plural subject के helping verb क्या होती है? Do. Do plus I, we, you, they and plural noun. Plural noun means more than one. Plural noun plus V1 plus object plus others. Got it? For example, does Ram play football? If I will change this sentence into plural sentence, then what will do? Do Ram and Sita play with me? And question mark. Okay, here is only one noun, but here is two nouns, Ram and Sita. That's why here use do. Clear? Clear now? Like this you will practice at home again and again. I will give worksheet for solving this problem. Okay, bye. Please अगर आप